What's going on, guys? It's Chris from shotgunheatshield.com coming to you from old steamy Florida. We're on the East Coast, Northeast. But I wanted to show you, we got the new heat shields for the Magpul Zukhoff forend, this handguard. So Airdus makes one, GG&G makes one, but what we did was we made our own custom heat shield. I feel like they're kind of starting to take advantage of us Beretta owners. Everything's so expensive. So we know how much this setup costs, but heat shield won't break the bank, and it's cut specifically for this handguard. So if you see, it kind of fits on there, just like so. We hand cut that notch. Rear goes on with the C-clamp, just like that. And then one of the two brackets is used. So yeah, it's a pretty easy install. We've sold quite a few of them. Never seen one melt. We've been making these for 15 years. Lifetime warranty. Here's one with the colored spray, but yeah, easy install, not super expensive. Use our promo code YouTube at checkout. That's our best coupon on shotgunheatshield.com. My name's Chris. Got any questions? Hit me up. Otherwise, have a great weekend. Keep shooting.